Right guys, today I'm in business. Meant to come here yesterday, didn't do anything. And then I went out last night. Today I'm going to get bed done. So I'm going to open the gates to the allotment. I'm going to keep chatting to a minimum. I'm going to get on, I'm going to do it. Sun's out, guns out. So today we're going to de-weed this. However, I do actually spot that we have a cheeky little onion or a garlic or something. So I need to be careful of these buttercups. We've got, there's another garlic there. But let's see what we've got. I don't know if they need pulling yet or what. But let's just do it because you never know. Ooh, it's an onion. Put it in the box. Oh, this one's got a couple of things on it. Let's get these up. That looks like a soggy, bit of a soggy one. Let's see. Ooh. A few other little bulbs down here. I don't know if these are supposed to cut, if these are called sets or what, but I've got no time for research today. Today is just all about clearing a bed. This is the one closest to the shed. So this is the one where it's coming up, but I am interested to pull these and see what's crack-a-lacking. This one's quite deep. So whilst I'm struggling trying to get this onion out, can somebody tell me what I should actually be doing with these onions? Because I have no idea. Any other onions? Oh, my sunflowers have survived. That's good. Right, don't think there's any more onions in that. I met someone the other day, I think it was and they said, whatever you're doing when you're de-weeding a bed, start at the top and work your way backwards. So I'm going to do that. I'll start at the top, work my way down, and I'm going to get a bed done. So I'm going to put you on time lapse somewhere. Don't know where would be the best shot, but yeah, let's do this. Okay, so here I am weeding away, and yeah, it was good. Felt really good to just crack on and get started. Yesterday was really rainy, so it did stop, but then I was going out in the evening, so today I did have it on my mind that I just wanted to get started. Every time I've been, I'd always felt like really overwhelmed with everything, but today I just set myself one goal, one task, and I was on a bit of a deadline because I did need to be back to come collect Murphy. So yeah, it was good. I think I'm going to work this way going forward. Just one task, or if there's not any big tasks, maybe just 2 or 3. But yeah, rocking the pulp t-shirt there. Any pulp fans, shout out. Covered it up, not quite sure what I'm going to plant there. That's where the research is going to come in. Some manky onions, I think, but I give them a little bit of a washed off my raspberries. I've already had those on my lunch. Oh, look at little Murphy, he's so cute. And to finish off with some strawberries, cherries that I've grown at home. So there you have it. Another fun day at the allotment. I need to give it a bit of a name. Plot 17 1B doesn't quite cut it. But it was a great visit today. I picked up 2 composting bins and met a few neighbours. Met Helen, who's next door. She's lovely. She showed me where some asparagus is growing in one of the beds, and we had a bit of a chat about her allotment, and she's given me a good tip on if I'm not sure what to plant, maybe planting some green manure. So need to do a bit of research on that. But yeah, happy plotting. Happy plotting to everyone who's been out there on their allotments today. Hope you're having a great weekend. And yeah, if you can like, comment, subscribe, hit notifications when, the next video drops. But yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.